Well, here we are again. We find ourselves looking at a compressor. So my Hyper Tough one finally died, and we're going to talk about that in a different video. But for today, I've got this Kobalt 8-gallon. It's like 150 psi. Little roll around. You can see the picture right there. But we're going to open it up, put it together, give our first impressions. And I think, as long as the quality's there, I think this one's going to be way more useful around the property than the Hyper Tough one was. But we shall see. Looks like little axles there. Try to give you guys a view of what's in here. Directions. We might need those. Maybe. You like that? We might need them. You always need directions, guys. Come on. Can we set this right here? Is that going to be? That's going to be right in your way. We'll put it up there like that for now. All right. I'm just going to get rid of some of this junk. Toss it in a corner for now. We've got wheels. I don't expect really any of this to be super high quality, but just got to be a little quality. It's nice looking. Let's get it out of the box. It's probably going to be heavy. Ooh. Not horrible. Get that out of the way. So, first things first, before I even spend any time on it, I'm going to take the top off because I read the reviews. And there were a lot of complaints about the manifold here being broken, the casting on it being broken. So we're going to pull that apart first of all, and if it's broken, we'll put it all back in the box, take it back. Oh, this appears to all be one part. Wow. I just wanted to take like the cover off of it. Interesting. You can't just take the cover off? Wow. Well, we can get one of our little work lights here and kind of peek in there and see what we see. I wouldn't be able to show you guys. Well, that looks not bad. So some of the pictures that were shared were quite a few years old. This looks a lot beefier. I'm assuming they've fixed it over the years because some of those pictures, the manifold looked really thin, and right there it looked pretty thick. So I'm happy with it. We'll put it together, get it started up. We'll do maybe some noise readings, or not yet. Actually, we'll wait till this is just kind of more of an unboxing and first impressions. We'll do the noise readings during like a full review. A little bag of gizmos go. Here's all the hardware that you might need, will need. Seems pretty straightforward. It's got a couple of those guys, a couple of these guys, not sure what those are for. A couple of axles for the wheels. Oh, and it's got little built-in, not built-in, but they've got the bolts in the handle already, so that's convenient. So you might ask yourself, why do I keep buying these little compressors? Because I've got a very large, I think it's 60-gallon 200 psi compressor over there. It's because that compressor uses like 3,000 watts to run. and I don't always need that kind of power. Oh wow, this thing is a little bent. We're gonna have to, nothing we can't handle. We just got to kind of force it out a little bit while we put this in here. But yeah, I don't need that kind of power. That's just way too much. All right, let's see if we can get some wheels on this thing. I'm a little nervous that that had actually pressure in the tank. Yeah, that might not be good. That, I don't know. Maybe they tested it. Maybe they tested it at the factory. It might not be that big of a deal, really. Take their little anti-theft device off. I hate thieves. Make us put up with that garbage. And we'll put some wheels on this thing. I could see where these can be a big pain in the butt. To tighten. Forget about tightening, just getting them on there. Holy cow. Don't want to break all the tools out until I'm ready to tighten stuff. It's going to be interesting. 150 psi, 8-gallon tank. I think it said like a 1.5 horse motor, which was surprising to me for something, you know, this little. All right, let's finger this out now. What do you think is going to be metric? I'm going to say 9/16. And I'm going to be very wrong. It's not going to be a 5/8. Don't tell me it's a 5/8. Oh, it is. Wow. And I don't have a 5. There. One of these little guys. That's very interesting. I did not expect it to be a standard like that. But I'm not going to complain about it. I'm going to complain about not enough stuff being said. I know some people like the metric system, but I don't. Mostly because I'm not used to it. I don't use it, you know. But it is what it is. I wish I had a gear wrench that was 5/8, but I don't. All right, I am way curious to see how this is gonna, so we're gonna start off by plugging in, by not being able to speak English, making a big mess. We're gonna plug this directly into an outlet and see what we see. Here we go. How loud's it gonna be? not too bad, really. That's really not too bad. So let's see the power usage on it. I've got my little, and the dryer's going, the clothes dryer's going right now, so it's gonna be, there you go. You guys tell me what it is. It's about 1,000 watts. All right, we'll let it pump up and give her a shot. Well, so far I'm pleasantly surprised. CFM that comes out of this thing is actually pretty amazing. It's not going to be like a shop quality compressor, but it's working good for my shop, so I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up.